Drawing lines in AutoCAD. To draw a line in AutoCAD, there are different ways. You can go to the Draw tab. Under the Draw tab, we have the line command. So double click on the line command to activate the line command. As you can see, it is asking us to specify the first point. In order for you to draw a line, you need a starting point. You need the first point. So click on the first point. After clicking on the first point, in order to finish up the line, you click on the second point, or you input the length of the line. As you can see, the line is in a straight line. It's either in 0 degree or 90 degree. This is because auto mode is currently on. As you can see, auto mode is on. In order for you to make the line to be of any angle, you need to make sure you turn off the auto mode. After turning off the auto mode, as you can see, we can draw a line of any angle. So in order to finish off the line, you input the length of the line. So let's say I turn on the auto mode. Turn on the auto mode. After turning on the auto mode, so let's say we want the line to be 25 inches. Then you type 25 inches. You click enter on your keyboard. So after clicking enter on your keyboard, in order to finish this off, you press escape on your keyboard. So this is the line. Now you can also use the line option to draw any shape of your choice. You can use this to draw a triangle. So you specify the first point, specify the second point, you specify the other point, and specify. So because auto mode is currently on, you can't draw a line of any angle. So you need to turn off the auto mode. Turn off the auto mode, then you specify the next point, which is this intersect look. This is the next point. You click on this, then press escape on your keyboard. So we have a triangle. So you can use the line option to draw any shape of your choice. You can use it to draw a rectangle, trapezoid, etc. Also, there is shortcut to activate the line command. You just type L on your keyboard. As you can see, the first option we have here is line. You click on enter. So you specify the first point. Now you need to turn off auto mode. Okay, auto mode is currently turned off. Now in order to draw a line of any angle, the shortcut is you need to hold down shift on your keyboard. After holding down shift on your keyboard, click the less than sign. As you can see, after clicking the less than sign, all you need to do, you just need to type the angle of the line. So let's say we want this to be 60 degree. After after typing 60 degree, you click on enter. This line is going to be 60 degree. Now if you want to also input the length of the line, so let's say we want this line to be 70 inches, for example. So you just type 70 here, 70, then click on enter. So this line is 60 degree, and the length of the line is 70 inches. To finish off the line command, press escape on your keyboard. Escape and click on the line command. Specify the first point. So let's say, for example, after activating the line command, you no longer want the line command. You can just come to this box over here and click on undo. So this is going to undo the line command. Or you click on the first point. If you no longer want this, all you need to do, you just need to press escape. You see, or you click on the line command, click the first point. If you no longer want this, you press Ctrl Z. So we no longer have the line command. Okay, then you press escape.